Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own custom preset, Equalizer preset. So this is the application itself. This application is called LG XBOOM, and here in this application we have to tap here Equalizer. Here we have to tap Custom and tap this arrow to modify. Here is my preferred equalizer to make the speaker sound a lot better. We can modify the speaker by, as you can see, modifying these sliders. Here we have the frequencies and here we have decibels. And we have to tap OK to confirm our changes. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.